In this video, you will learn how to fix Facebook Messenger keep loading error on Android. Many people experience this issue. It can be frustrating when you need to send a message but the app won't load. I will guide you through some easy steps to solve this problem. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down until you find Developer Options. Tap on it. If you don't see developer options, you may need to enable it by tapping on About Phone and then repeatedly tapping on Build Number until you see a message indicating that developer mode has been enabled. In Developer Options, tap on the Search button at the top right corner. Type in Wi-Fi scan throttling and hit Search. Select Wi-Fi scan throttling from the results. Now, toggle on the switch next to it to enable this feature. Next, locate another option called Mobile Data Always Active. Toggle this switch on as well. This setting helps maintain connectivity even when switching between networks. After making these changes, go back to the main settings page by using your device's back button or gesture. Tap on Apps in your settings menu. In the Apps section, use the search function at the top right corner again. Type in Messenger and hit Search. Select it from the list of applications. Scroll down a bit and tap Storage. Here you'll find two important options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. First, tap on Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Data. Once you've cleared both cache and data, restart your device. A simple reboot can often resolve lingering issues. If Messenger is still having trouble loading after restarting, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Additionally, if you're connected to a VPN service while trying to use Messenger, disconnect from it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with app functionality. Finally, ensure that you're using the latest version of Facebook Messenger. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for Messenger and check if there's an update available. If so, download it. By following these steps, adjusting developer options, clearing app data and cache, switching networks, or disabling VPNs, you should be able to fix that pesky loading error in Facebook Messenger. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.